Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. I desire to inspire you to make beautiful designs one space at a time. Hey, y'all, hey. Okay, so look, your girl is in Struggleville. I got my struggle cap on. I've been rocking my own homegrown. It's serious. This quarantine is I know that it's necessary. I know with Operation Stay Safe. I know that yada yada yada. I know it. But sis, bruh, right now I am having a real Amistad moment. Like, make us free. I can't take it no more. I cannot take it no more. So today is a decent day. The sun is shining. There's no rain. So I'm gonna take this outside. Like, I've got to get out. I've got to do something because, as you can hear in the background, hubby ain't having no problem with this quarantine, honey. He is right at home on his game. He is a-okay. But Miss OCD/ADD, she is in Struggleville. I have wiped down every piece of everything in this house that can be wiped down, with the exception of the guest room. I'm gonna do that later, but it's about the outdoor today. I gotta get out of here. I have to get out of this house. So let's take it outside. Okay, guys, we're gonna start by giving these cute little yard stakes or yard signs a little makeover. I'm going to use this what is this, Rust-Oleum rust stop, and it is in a light turquoise, so we're going to give it a nice little refresh, or a nice makeover, shall I say. So let's get started. I need to blow with the direction, spray in the direction of the wind so I don't lose all of my paint. So this can is on fumes. I wonder if I should hold it up in my hand and spray to get all of the last little bit of droppings out of here. No worries, I have two other cans over there, but I wanted to go ahead and start with this one so I can use it up so as not to waste material. So let me finish up. Okay, 48 hours and a hairdo later, I am ready to remove my winter decor and start on my spring decor. So here I am just removing everything, and upon removing, I discover a little bird's nest with eggs inside. So I called the hubby out to remove them, had him to double check to make sure there weren't any more so that I could proceed on with the cleaning and decorating. I hated to move the little guys, but I have to clean it up. Okay, guys, so now that we have cleaned, it is time for the fun part, and that's to decorate. So showing you here just an overview of the materials that I have for this particular spring front porch scape. So I'm not purchasing anything new. Everything I have was previously purchased. Some were recent purchases, some are just refreshed or revamped from last year. So let's just kind of go down the list here. These are two little styrofoam blocks, Dollar Tree find. I just use them over and over again, just stick them in the urn, create a different centerpiece. That is actually a garland. Thought I had two of them, but I only found one. A couple of floral stems from Hobby Lobby, half off. These beautiful yard pigs that says I am the resurrection and the life, and he is risen indeed. I absolutely love them. They are the cross. Just speaks my language. So then I have these two cute little, I don't think I shared these in a haul, but I got these from a, oh, look at this, is that a wasp? You guys, I'm severely allergic to wasps. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So these the little wreaths here, I picked those up from House to Home in South Haven, Mississippi. Really cute. I think they were maybe like $9.99 or $12.99. That, you guys, is my wreath from last year. I figured if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I'm just probably gonna give it a little zhuzhing up and use that. Some more little floor picks I got from Paul Michael's Perfect Spring Colors. Some more greenery from all of that right there is from Hobby Lobby, half off. And then these are refurbished from different centerpieces throughout my home, from weddings, from some things I have inside the home, just various things. So this right here, you guys, is my favorite piece out of all the pieces. This beautiful doormat. It says, welcome to our home. I love the little blue bike. The floor picks inside. It's so cute. I hate that it's white, but I'm gonna put a Scotch guard on it. Hopefully that'll kind of preserve it for a while. So let's decorate. Okay guys, so here it is. This is the final look of the design. I absolutely love it. This is my 2020 Spring It On front door scape. Let's go in for a closer look. Here, you guys, I just took what I had. I was determined not to leave, trying to stay home and stay safe. I made it work, okay? So what I did was I went with what would you say, an asymmetric or an off-centered design in each urn. Here I layered on that cute little wreath that I got from House to Home. Then I added the greenery just to fill in. Once I played around with it, the florals were not doing it for me. I like the whimsical, wispy feel of each of these picks, so they all kind of tied in together. And so I did that greenery pick from Hobby Lobby. Then I used the cute little swirly cues, curly cues that I got from Paul Michaels, along with the blue wispy picks from Hobby Lobby. And there you have it. And here the I Am the Resurrection and the life is here. Just kind of, again, playing with that asymmetrical design. I have it tilted to the side. I absolutely love it because I definitely wanted you to be able to see it from entering our driveway. And then over here, did the same thing, you guys. And then this pic says, "He is risen indeed." Again, slanting it off center just to give me that asymmetrical look. But once you look at the entire front porch, it is very symmetrical. I see now that I need to tilt this one a little bit more, but I will do that. And then there is the wreath that I had from last year, just repurposing, refreshing, using what you have. You guys, this was just another inspirational video just to share with you how, in spite of the difficulties that we're in right now, you too can just take what you have and create something beautiful in your home. So here you have it. I absolutely love it. Let me back up so you can get a full view up. Before I close, I want to invite you that if this is your first time visiting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. We are full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity, and I would love to have you be a part of our family. We are growing by leaps and bounds, and I would love for you to like, comment, and share as we continue to grow and soar in the 2020 year. To my tried and true, you know that I love and appreciate you. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you for every share, for every like, for every comment. I so appreciate it. Comment in the box below. Let me know which was your favorite part of this particular front door scape. And then the next one that you'll see, you guys, I will be revamping my back patio, and you don't want to miss it. I've got some fabulous yard sale finds that I'm going to refresh and revamp, and you guys won't believe the end results. So until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. And remember, stay home, stay safe. Smooches.